Right, Dustin.
All right, are you going to show what you did? So, Creativity Kids Stuff is going out of business. So we went today and we took advantage. Wylie, show everybody what you got.
It's exploding. It's big. It's play soccer. It's gamer.
Whoa! It's the FIFA World Cup Russia 2018 soccer game.
Yes, it is. So let me do that one. It's a maze. It's a comet marbles. It's a marble maze.
A marble maze.
Let me see what's what. It's second ninja. It can bite bad guys. It's Golden Ninja.
That's right, it's the Golden Ninja.
Now let's open the app and see what's inside. This one.
We're going to open up the Gold Ninja first.
Yeah, Golden Ninja.
Okay.
He's the best ninja.
He's the best ninja?
Yeah, so open him up.
You got it. What do you think that does?
You open it?
We're going to put it together now?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so what are we going to do first?
So we build that Golden Ninja.
Do you have the instructions?
Yeah. Right here. Got the instructions.
Perfect. Okay, let's build together.
Now let's open this pack. Where's the feet? Oh, 100.
You found the feet?
Yeah. Good, let's put it.
Okay.
So he goes right here. Now this. You can put it under here.
Okay. Hey, now what?
Now the bed hits.
Should we follow the instructions?
Yeah. So
Oh.
the build it.
All right. Okay. Did we build it?
Yeah, now sit it on the two.
All right. Hey, Wylie, do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
All right, pull that cord. Yep, pull it out. All the way fast. See how I'm pulling it?
Okay. I want to do that.
Pull it fast. Ready? All the way back in. Pull it out real fast. Yeah!
It's the second video, guys.
Yeah.
It's the second video. Here we go to the second video.
All right.
It's a marble maze.
All right, what do you see, dude?
Look, it's got so many marbles.
So many marbles. Awesome.
Help me.
And I thought I was just directing this shoot. Oh boy, that's a lot of pieces. We got instructions.
Now let's open this up.
All right, let's build a marble maze.
Yeah.
Did you make the butterfly maze?
No,
Who made it?
Mama.
You're so honest. Here's 8 marbles. Put them in wherever you want, and let's see where they fall. You want to keep putting them right in the center? You can put them wherever you want. Whoa, that one went way over there. You never know where it's going to go, huh? You can put them in different holes too, you know. Oh, cool. Do they follow the same path? Whoa. You could do this all day and it would take a different path every time, wouldn't it? Whoa.
I want to do that.
Whoa! How cool is this? thumbs up.
Now the second one is a soccer.
So we've got a goalie that we can use the stick to try and stop the ball. And then we've got kickers. And with the kicker, you pull back. Show them how to kick. And the kicker, you pull back. And then... Hey, thumbs up or thumbs down for coolness? Thumbs up. Let's play some soccer. Go! Mama's up. Go! It's not a total shutout. The score is... What's the score, Wylie?
2.
2?
6.
All right, let's do it.
Click this video to subscribe.